Hey, good morning, good day, and good afternoon. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is another one of the radios that Jeff brought me out of his collection to review on my show. This is a little pocket AM/FM radio. We'll get Mr. Finger out of the way here, and let's get into the radio. I quit looking at the stupid box. Okay. This is totally analog, I believe. I mean analog tuning. There's a little manual that comes with it. Okay, we don't need that. This is all pretty straightforward. We don't need a manual. AM, FM, AM and FM bands for United States. Doesn't have any extended ranges. There's the, you see if I can get a focus. Come on, camera, focus. You miserable camera. Oop, I had it there for a second. I don't know how to pronounce this. DAOGOLY, DAOGOLY, I don't know. Obviously, I saw a post on Amazon that said this was made in Africa. Wow. No other indications. Let me see if it says anything in here about Africa. Nope. Okay. Uses 2 AA batteries. Comes with a belt clip right there, or a pocket clip that is removable. Actually, I think you probably, I don't know if you have to initially install it or not. There is the headphones jack, and right there, oh, come on, camera, wake up. This is the off AM and FM switch. Nothing down there. There is the tuning dial and the volume. Nothing up there. Little tiny telescopic antenna. It's about 8 inches, pretty short. Of course, it's a small radio. Can't put too much inside of a small radio. Speaker grill, speakers right about there. Let's just try it. What the heck? So we go over here to the switch, and we'll select AM. Spanish? Okay. It has a tuning. Well, it says power, so maybe that's not a tuning. Let me see what happens. No, that's strictly a power LED. Be nice if I get it in the camera. And then we're going to tune here. See how smoothly it. I wish my camera would focus. Come on. Maybe I've got it zoomed in too much. Anyway, moving on. So it's got this dual dial here, or you wouldn't call it a dial, slider.
Could squash them.
Whoa.
Yeah. But there's the natural bacteria like Bacillus thuringiensis.
Nice and
you find
strong.
it in Thuricide and dipel products that target caterpillars and moths of
Pretty loud. Let me turn it down.
And it's safe to use.
Pretty loud, and it doesn't seem to be distorted, but it is tinny. So, what the heck. And it does have an earphone jack, so you could probably overcome that. I don't know. Let me see if it says. I doubt. No, it doesn't say whether that the output, if you're in FM mode, is stereo. It doesn't say. And I can no longer tell unless they're playing something that definitely has the separation between the 2 channels. I can't tell stereo from mono. So anyway, I don't think it said anything about stereo on Amazon. Get these on Amazon for $12. And if you have, I believe, let me just check here. I believe if you have a Prime account, it is free shipping, yes. $11.99 free shipping if you have a Prime account on Amazon. And I'm going to jump ahead and tell you, I kind of like this radio, so I'm going to put it in my Amazon store. So you can use the link below each video, go to my store, pick one of these up, or anything else, and I'd appreciate it. Okay, let's go on and get my camera up here so I can see if I'm in the view, and we'll turn the volume back up.
The spinach plants that aren't spinach and...
Yeah, it's picking up a ton of stations.
Go to Stardust.
Yeah. Look at that, man. There's a ton of stations. Okay, let's go to FM and kind of watch out for music. Saying we need to use the telescopic antenna for FM. And we're at the end of the band right now, top of the band. Let's tune down.
T-shirts and even the Cat in the Hat's iconic hat.
Plenty volume.
Snack everything.
Strong signal.
There's one dream you can
Yeah, it's picking them up.
That's right.
Oh boy. This thing is amazing. This is amazing radio. The reception is unbelievable. It's picking up all kinds of stations. Now, I live in the Tampa Bay area, so I got a lot of stations. But I've tested other radios, even more expensive than this one, and they barely pick up anything. They pick up maybe the 3 strongest stations. This is picking them up, all of them. It's amazing. Jeff, thanks for sending me this for review. Maybe I'll keep it. No, I'm not kidding, Jeff. I won't keep your radio. Yeah. Yeah. And it locks on the station. And let me see if I can get. Okay, I'm trying to show you the tuning. See, that barely moves. So it's real easy to tune in a station. So let me just try one that I know and see if I can tune it on the dial and it's there. So I'm going to leave the volume off and I'm going to tune to what, yeah, granted this scale is, oh gosh, my camera really sucks. Granted the scale is, where the hell I could, gosh, I got to clean my fingernails. Ooh, been working in the garden. So I'm going to tune to what I think is 95.5. Now let's see what I've got. That should be music, maybe. Yeah, I'm a little bit off. I think that's it right there. Oop, turn that off. So it's pretty easy to read the frequency and tune in a station. Like I say, the tuning is, even though it's a really small scale, it's pretty easy to tune this. And it jumps on those frequencies. It locks in. Pretty cool. I don't know. Like I say, even if I got a pair of earbuds, I probably couldn't detect whether it's stereo or not. Didn't mention stereo. I'm guessing not stereo. I think that's about it. 2 AA batteries, which Jeff was very good in that he had no batteries in it. You don't want to leave for an extended period of time batteries in your radios. They will leak. I just was searching for some batteries to put in this radio, and I've got a little box of batteries that I use, on these radios for 10, 20 minutes that I don't want. They're not new, so I don't want to put them back in the battery box with the new ones, but I don't want to leave them in radios, even my radios. I don't want to leave them in there. I've had a number of disasters with the leaky batteries in radios, test equipment. And it doesn't take long. And I'm beginning to believe, I've read, where this is the case, I'm beginning to believe that the Duracells are heavy leakers. In that box of batteries, and I had them neatly put in there so they weren't shorting out or anything. There were Duracells, Everettis, some off-brands, and one of the Duracells. And they're sitting there in the box. So they're not in a radio and anything drawing any current or anything. One of the Duracells leaked big time. And luckily, it was off by itself, so it didn't bother the other batteries, I hope. So I had to clean all that mess out, throw it away. I was going to keep it and show it to you, but it's like, nah, what's the difference? That's about it. I think I've covered anything that's got that clip. Pretty sturdy clip. All right. So let's put this telescopic antenna down. I'm going to see, just for a quick test, I'm going to see what kind of stations I can get with the antenna down. Well, that one's strong. Of course, that is a strong station. This is FM stations, whoops, no music, FM stations with the antenna down. So you can stick this in your shirt pocket, keep the telescopic down so it's not poking you in the nose, and still get stations.
Yeah, but you know what else is amazing? An iPhone 6
Loud and clear. And let's see, volume, turn it all the way down. Whoop, turn it all the way down. Okay, there's all the way down. And
Imagine streaming all the way down with that amazing
there's all the way up.
camera. Yes.
Plenty of volume, plenty of volume. That's about it. Again, thanks, Jeff. And thanks for watching. If you enjoy my shows, please give me a thumbs up. It tells me that I'm doing stuff that you want and that you're interested in. And have a great day. Bye-bye.